Hey guys, what's up? This is my 2011 Specialized P.20 Bike Check. Alright, we're going to start up at the front. I have a Fit FAF 2.5 teal wall with a Skylark, Alien Nation Skylark rim with the green alloy nipples, 14G double-butted spokes, and a really sexy Demolition Bulimia front hub. Aluminum axle bolts and stuff. The Odyssey Director forks, 2012 model, with the Primo headset in green and just a normal stock Specialized aluminum stem. I don't really have a problem with it. It's pretty good, so I haven't replaced it yet. Alright, I have the Colt Vans grips. Don't get them. They really suck. They get sweaty really easy and you slip off. I have the S&M Race XLT bars. They're super strong. That's why I haven't replaced them yet. They're not bent, but they are really scratched up because I do a lot of weird stuff. So, alright, let's move on to the middle. Got the Specialized 2011 P20 frame, of course. Running brakeless. Alright, you guys probably haven't heard of this, but I have the Ezra Torch 3-piece cranks. I got them for $30 on sale on VaneBMX.com, and they're really nice cranks. They're light. They came with titanium bolts, which are really awesome, and they're $30. So they're just a little bit heavier than profile cranks. That's what I like to compare them to. They're 28 spline, really nice. Alright, then I have the Redline device, 25-2 sprocket with the stolen ballad chain. I like it. It's pretty good. It makes some weird noises here and there, but it's alright. And on the back, I have the Odyssey V2 hub, I think, with the 9-tooth driver. 1 second here. Yeah, and it's a left-hand drive, as you have probably noticed, and it's laced to a Odyssey Hazard rim in chrome. I got it as a complete wheel, so not really gonna argue with it. It's extremely strong. I've come up short on a lot of big stuff, and it's barely tweaked, and I've only broken one spoke, but I fixed it. So, alright, and then I have the Fit FAF teal wall 2.25 again. Really nice tires. They don't last as long as I would like them to, but they're good. And I have the Redline pivotal seat post with the Redline pivotal seat, and the Colney Fantastic plastic pedals. They're really nice, and they come in amazing colors. So, alright, let's go on the other side now. Okay, just the other Ezra crank arm Colney pedal. I have the Sputnik bottom bracket. I ordered it off Dance Comp because it was on sale, and it came in green, so I was like, what the heck, and I bought it. And it came, and the bearings really suck. I exploded them within like the first 5 minutes of riding, so I ended up having to put my old bearings back in, which actually were still okay, but they're not that great. And that's pretty much it. I mean, it's a really nice looking bike. I like it. It's really light, weighing in about 21, 22 pounds, and a lot of money, and I ride it hard. So there you go. Hope you like it.